Once upon a time, in a bright sunny forest, lived a clever parrot named Mitu. Mitu loved learning new words. He learned them from travelers, from books, even from the wind in the trees. Soon, Mitu began to puff up his chest and say, I know so many big words. I am the smartest one here. The other animals, well, they were not very impressed. One afternoon, Grandma Tortoise got stuck between two big rocks. Oh, Mithu, would you help me? She asked gently. But instead of helping, Mithu flapped his wings and started talking about how he knew exactly what to do and kept talking and talking and talking and talking. Just then, a little squirrel hopped by. Without a single fancy word, the squirrel pushed a tiny pebble, and Grandma Tortoise was free. Mithu's cheeks turned red. All his clever words hadn't helped at all. Grandma Tortoise smiled and said, real knowledge is not for showing off, Mithu. It's for helping others. From that day on, Mithu used his learning to make friends, share food, and help anyone in need. Because Vidya Dadati Vinayam, knowledge brings humility. Leave your opinions and suggestions in comments, like and subscribe for more.